Hey there, welcome to this coding conundrum we have on our hands today. So, the problem we're facing revolves around C++ concepts and templates. The code snippet provided showcases an issue where the compiler recognizes a custom struct as printable, but fails to match an integer with the printable concept. It seems like there's a hiccup when it comes to making the integer type compliant with printable. Now, let's delve into the solution that unravels this issue. In the compiler output, we see that the concept for int fails because at the point of the concept definition, the function to_string int was not declared yet. This lack of declaration results in the compiler not being able to find the required function for int at the instantiation point, leading to an error. So, in order to make int printable, we can either move the implementation of to_string in above the concept or simply add a forward declaration to it. By doing this, we ensure that int is now recognized as printable by the compiler. Expanding on the provided solution, adding the forward declaration for to_string int before the printable concept definition resolves the issue at hand. This forward declaration allows the compiler to locate the to_string int function when checking int against the printable concept. By ensuring that the function is declared or forward declared before its usage within the concept, we establish the necessary link for the code to compile successfully. And voila! Int is now officially printable. To wrap it up, we've tackled the problem of making int printable in C++ by strategically handling the function declaration within the concept. By either moving the function implementation or adding a forward declaration, we've paved the way for seamless compilation and concept satisfaction. Keep coding, stay curious, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!